Hi friends, good morning all. Nice to see you again. Today we are going to discuss about the how importance of hard work in your life. What is a hard work? Why it is required? How we can different from talent? What is hard work? Spending a lot of time with discipline, dedication and determination to achieve the goal. So we are giving some effort to get the goal, to achieve the goal. Why hard work required? So many factors influence in which we can take up ability and time. See, every individual has their own abilities. Some are high ability, some are low ability, but finally they reach their destination. Some are before, some are after. So always time and ability is inversely proportional. See, like that. For example, if you take one work daily 8 hours for 10 days, for 80 hours, if you increase the daily time like 10 days, it will it will be completed within 8 days. See, like that. If you increase the daily time for your work to do hard, it will accomplish within short time, like that. What is talent? Talent is blessing. Talent is natural ability to do perform the activities, as well it is a curse. They think they no need to do work hard. My friend, it is wrong. Hard work beats you if talent does not work hard. Please remember these things. For example, you know rabbit and tortoise story. So I will do for another example. I will explain another example about Sachin Tendulkar. You know Sachin very well. Sachin is a great talented and total world call him God of cricket. Why everybody telling him? It's not it. He he did not receive this name within one day. He did hard work even though having the talent. He daily practice. He talent plus hard work achieve the goal and success. Until his last day of international cricket, he daily practice with his colleagues, his young generation. He succeed. What about others? Even if more cricketers have more talent, but why can't they achieve like Sachin? Just think yourself, because nobody has that much dedication, discipline and determination to achieve the goal, to do hard work. Please remember, friends, you can take examples of cricketers who has played well, who has good talent. I will tell one more example. We can take in study days. One talent guy will complete his syllabus within 2 days. Whatever one hard worker, he will complete the same syllabus. For example, 10 days. 2 days, 10 days. Talent guy 2 days, hard worker 10 days. But a hard worker never repeat. If he repeat, nobody will reach him. If can't repeat, hard worker will beat him. How? Hard worker after 10 days also he will be reading continuously. He will continuously read. See, 2 days equal 10 days, 2 days equal 20 days. See how much different it is. 20 days 20 days reading hard worker input, 2 days talented input is same? No, it's different. See my friends, this type of calculation is also very required whenever we are going to do work to achieve the goal. If the talent person resting mode, what about hard worker? Hard worker won't rest. He will plan, he will schedule, he will do, he won't rest, he will strike. He wants to try to achieve the goal. He is a hunger. Hard worker never fail. I will tell one more thing here. If you do hard work in your place, in your workplace, in your family, anywhere, believe me, you must get help from anyone, from your surroundings. Hard worker won't afraid of failure, because he himself believes that one day he will get his desired goals. That's why he has been consistently working hard to get the goals, and finally he will be reaching his goal, I am sure. So my friends, here I am going to tell you that please do hard work irrespective of results and situation to get the desired goals. Thank you my friends. Thank you so much for listening my video.